Hello, my Jan. Hello, my Jan. Oh. Hello, my Jan. I miss you, my Jan. My Jan, very busy today, yeah. My Jan, I miss you now, my Janu na. Today you very busy. You never call me. Oh, you call me today, but only 2 times, not Jan. Jan, I miss you so much now. I miss your hug, Jan. My Jan. My Jan, no. I miss Corina, my Jan. How are you, my Jan? No, I want to hug you now. I want to kiss you. Like this now, Jan. Please now come. No, my Jan. No, my Jan. My Jan. I love you so much, my Jan.